It's Aunt Cathy here with handsofawoman.com, and we're at a reception for Alabama artist and Texas artist Wilma Ingalls. She's having a show at the gallery in Andalusia, and her work will be here all the month of March, so I hope you'll come out and enjoy some of her work. There's a lion there. I'm just about out of battery here, and here's a seascape, the boat and birds, beachscape. Wilma's art covers many genres. Here's one of my favorites. I want to be sure and get this one on camera. This reminds me of some of the early 1900 out west pieces. Here's a still life that she's done, and her specialty, I'd have to say, from my perspective, is detail. She has tremendous detail. Here's a river scene. And here's a Pickin Time scene. Workers in the field. There's a storefront, Hal and Ingalls. Western is one of Wilma's favorites. And this one is I believe this one is a print here. A Wells Fargo stage. And this is John Deere tractor. Picture of a country scene. And she does a lot of wildlife pieces, turkeys. Very popular in this part of the country in southern Alabama. And here's a beautiful picture of ducks. I'm going to come in here so you can see some of the detail on these ducks. It's just tremendous. I'm going to put my hand in here so you have an idea of the size. Now look at that detail on that duck. They're just beautiful. They just call you in to look at them. And there's a Mountainscape. And I think we're going to close with this one because the battery's just about gone. This is Wilma Ingalls. It's a nice fall scene. And please come down to the gallery in Andalusia. We're right across from the Dairy Queen. And see her work. They're open during the week, during the daytime. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.